Hi YouTube family. If this is your first video of ours that you've seen, my name is Ruth, and here at Olive Gray Avenue, my husband and I do DIY projects, and this is a little out of the ordinary video. This time you get to see the full picture, the full room. We participated in the one room challenge this year. I've been making over our office space with work from home. Everything has kind of changed in life for a lot of people, including us. Steve is working from home now, so what better project to focus on than an office for him? And we're actually making it a dual purpose office with a home gym as well. So for the past 8 weeks, I've been redoing this office, building a desk, building a window bench, all the good stuff. And now you get to check it out. But make sure you hit that subscribe button. We're gonna start rolling out all the videos of how I built everything, the window bench with an IKEA hack, the desk, everything. These are some videos you are not going to want to miss. So make sure to hit that subscribe button and hit that like button for this video if you dig our new office.
But before the full office reveal, let's recap the last 8 weeks. Not only was I working on this office, but we just welcomed a new baby to the family. I worked on this with every spare moment I had and even late into the night after the kids were in bed. It felt so good to put my everything into this room and pay attention to every single detail. The details are what make a space magical.
Killian's helping me paint, right?
Yep.
I exercised skills I hadn't in a long time. All to create a space that my husband and I love spending time in.
Now, let me show you around. Watching the video. I hope y'all enjoyed taking a tour around our new home office and gym, and I hope you'll stick around for the videos coming up showing exactly how we did all of this in just 8 weeks. It was so much fun. Steve helped a little bit, but I mostly did everything by myself, which is definitely an empowering feeling. It is so much fun to see my visions come to life, things I've been dreaming of since we bought this house, and now it's another room completely finished. And that's one of the things I love about participating in the one room challenge, is that a whole space is completely complete. Thanks again for being here. Make sure to hit that like and subscribe button down below, and we'll see you next time. Bye.
Sick ass wall, dog.
So I'm helping Mommy, and we're going, and I'm doing the art, okay?